Looks like we made
Here
it.
we go. Okay, let's knock
Look
this
how
out.
far we've come, my baby.
Nice. Hey guys, Jason Catron here.
Carlos Santiago.
We are Vocal Lab Collectivo.
Collectivo. You added though.
I did.
It doesn't work in that instance,
Oh, dang.
but I appreciate
try.
the gumption.
I try.
He did try.
Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. We're gonna have a fun little reaction here coming up. Before we do it, hit that subscribe button for us. Hit it, hit it, hit it. Also, follow the link over to our Patreon where we do more fun stuff. You help support us keep this channel going. So keep the fun, keep the love. Yeah, thank you guys for being there with us in every way and just for being here watching. And if you haven't subscribed, like I said, hit that button. Who we got today, Carlos?
We've got another channel favorite, right?
Ooh, yes.
From Brazil.
Brazil.
Bora Brazil.
Yeah.
The one and the only, and he is still the one and only.
Ooh, nice play there.
Gabriel Henrique.
Let's go.
You're still the one.
Power vocals.
I love this song.
Yeah, same.
Looks like we made it. Look how far we come, my baby. We might be the
Original key too, by the way.
He always does. It's like ridiculous.
We get this someday. They say
Nice.
I bet they'll never make it, but just look at us holding on.
What do you think this is?
Where do I think it is?
Yeah.
I feel like it's probably in LA.
Huh.
Maybe not. Could be in Brazil. Nice little whine on that.
Yeah.
You're still the one that I love, the only one I dream of. You're still the one I kiss. Good night. Ain't nothing better.
One of the greatest love songs of all time.
We beat the hour together. I'm glad we didn't listen.
No.
Look at what we would be missing. They said, I bet they'll never make it, but just look at us holding on.
Hear that little ping in there?
Yeah.
Together,
Oh, it's pingy.
going strong.
Okay. Come on.
The one that I belong to is still the one I want for life.
Nice.
Golly.
That I love, the only one I dream of. You're still the one.
Waiting for the whistle. Where is it?
Good night. It's still the one I want to. The one that I belong to. You're still the one I want.
Did he not do it?
I'm so glad we made it.
I think he's not gonna do it for you this time.
How far we've come, my
Proud of him for that.
baby.
So proud of him.
Woo! So awesome.
So awesome.
Woo,
That's
look at
so
that
great.
little glare at the end.
Yeah, it's like-
he's like, I know I'm
like,
good.
oh,
I know I'm good. Let me just give it to you. Yeah. That,
All right, talk about the artist
Face.
who originally did this song real quick.
That would be Shania Twain.
Shania Twain, one of the greatest.
One of the greatest. I mean, I love me some Shania. I listen to her often. I love it anytime her song comes on anywhere. I got to meet her once, which was super cool.
Very, very
I
cool.
almost passed out. Yeah, I mean, Shania.
Yeah.
Yeah, and like I said, one of the great pop songs of all time. And
That
it sounds
song was so
amazing.
huge that it was on Puerto Rican radio when I was growing up.
Really?
Like on the pop radio. So I'm like listening to Spanish music and all of a sudden it's like, you're still the one I like. unbelievable, all over the place.
Takes you right back there, doesn't it? Right back to Puerto Rico.
Yep.
Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, I mean, he killed it. He crushed it, as he always does. I love that you pointed out he does these songs in the original key, which is nuts. That was
just
brilliant.
the right amount of explosiveness.
Yes.
You know, we joked around about the whistle voice because he does a whistle voice so often in a lot of these videos, and he didn't do it this time.
Which was good.
Which
threw
was
you a
good.
curveball.
Yeah, it's a great way to just like, oh, I don't always do the same thing in every song.
Yeah.
You know, and I'm not over singing this song that everyone loves so much. So I think that's great.
Yeah. Fantastic. Fantastic suggestion, you guys. We love doing this for you. Thanks for joining us here again today on the channel. Until next time, I'm Jason Catron.
Carlos Santiago.
We are Vocal Lab Collective.
Bye.
Bye-bye.